Hi, this video is going to be one of the 3 videos of a series called Basic Perspective. In this video, I'm going to talk about 1 point perspective. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So, let's first start by drawing the eye line. The eye line describes the height of your camera. Anything above this is above the camera, and anything below this is below the camera, and it all depends on the height of your camera. Now let's talk about 1 point perspective. By that I'm talking about a scene which has one vanishing point. When drawing 1 point perspective, all the lines receding to the background should converge to one single vanishing point. For example, look at this. The lines receding to the background converged to this vanishing point. Now I am going to draw 5 examples for you guys so you can better understand what I am talking about. This is the final result. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.